Hello. A customer asked me that if RK6006 need a fan inside the box, we can do a comparison. There are three data we can use. We install a RK6006 into a box, and now there is no fan inside. And we use RD6030 Max as input power supply. And there is an electric load here. We use 60 volt DC input, and we set 50 volt 6 ampere. Now the temperature is 35 degrees. Aging test 5 minutes. It becomes to 67 degrees now. The second is RD6006 in the box, but there is a fan inside. Still outputs 300 watt for 5 minutes. The final temperature is 50 degrees. The last one is RK6006 in the open air. No fan, just in the open air. Still 300 watt for 5 minutes. The final temperature is 61 degrees. So that if you use it in the box, you need to add a fan. If you use it in the open air, you can ignore the fan.